So you know a design obsessed person who works from home that you need to buy a gift for. Gift giving time is coming very quickly and you're thinking, oh shit, I haven't sorted something out yet. Even worse, their setup is so dialed, they've already got everything they could ever want. Well, no stress, because here's 3 simple things to think about to help enhance their aesthetics, efficiency, and maybe even inspire them a little bit. Right, of course, we're gonna start with some keyboards. Something that can change the look of a desk setup really quickly is swapping out the keycaps of a keyboard. If color options is your priority, your best pick is KBD Fan's PBT Fans line. You've got an awesome selection of keycaps in so many different colors and they're all community designed. Basically, KBD Fans has built the infrastructure to mass produce keycaps and they've turned it into a platform where any designer can apply to get their dream set made and sold. They're all in stock so you can get them really quickly and you're getting the added benefit of supporting a small designer in the process. My other keycap pick, if your person loves a vintage beige look, you can't go wrong with 21KB. Again, so many in-stock keycaps with some really cool sub-legend colors. They come with so much kitting that it will fit pretty much any mechanical keyboard. Really good pick. Right, so at the beginning I mentioned aesthetics, efficiency, and inspiration. I think a really good gift for someone design oriented is a really balanced mix of at least 2 of these things. Those keycaps, for example, are a balance of efficiency and aesthetics. When I say efficiency, I basically mean something that will improve your day-to-day, sort of make something a bit more enjoyable that is otherwise mundane, like typing or something like that. Another really good example of this combo are these really cool cables by my friends at Truly Chewy. They're super neat looking, they have this really satisfying click, they're fully customizable on their website, and you can get a handwritten custom note. Let's keep this combo of aesthetics and efficiency, but we're just gonna branch a little bit out of keyboards for a sec. Here on my desk, you can see some awesome pops of color, which is thanks to my friends over at Turbulent Labs. They sell some really nice handmade leather desk accessories from organizers, desk mats, all the way down to like coasters and cable clips. These guys' products are a really good example of things that can incorporate both aesthetics and efficiency at quite a low cost. For example, these leather cable snaps look really nice and help to organize your cables. And then, moving up the cost, we have some coasters, this tray, which I use to dump some things that don't have a home yet. And even further up are these super sick wrist rests, which you can get either off the shelf from them or custom made to size. Again, the aim of these 3 points is to give you a guide in a pinch if you want to give gifts that actually provide value, not just like stuff for the sake of stuff. You'll probably find that if you focus on 2 of these things, the 3rd one will come by default. For example, these really cool tools by Hoto. These are just standard everyday items that we use but elevated in ways that I just didn't expect. Like this box cutter, for example, lives next to my desk because I use it all the time, and I mean, come on, how nice does it look? And when I say that last point comes by default, usually if you have enough things that look nice and make things efficient, you feel empowered to go do the thing related to that item, hence like the inspiration bit. Recently, I've been absolutely bloody loving going out and taking photos with my new camera because of how amazingly portable my setup has been. My friends at Bellroy sent me their light sling bag among a bunch of other stuff, and oh my god, I just want to become a street photographer, it's insane. But the point I'm getting at here is that the sling bag hits those 2 points of aesthetic and efficient. And because of this, I'm inspired to go do stuff. Just like this tech kit, which I carried with me to uni religiously for 5 years, it also ticks the aesthetic and efficient box by organizing all my crap in a very tidy manner, which empowered me to go do the work. I think you probably get the point now. Then what does a gift look like if it ticks the aesthetic and inspiration box? Well, to me, that comes in the form of reference books. I'm super new to collecting reference books, but now that I've started, I can't get enough. As someone who spends a lot of time on a screen, it's really nice to sometimes break out a nice book and get some inspiration and references no matter what the topic is. Also, while we're on the topic of books, notebooks are an awesome gift idea as well. You can never really get enough writing material for smashing ideas out. I highly recommend these dot gridded moleskin books, just because they're pretty cheap and they also feel great when writing. So there you have it, a really simple 3-point system for finding a gift for that person in your life that already has pretty much everything that they need. Now, obviously, if you're watching this video when it goes live, there's like 1 week left till Christmas, so there's probably no chance you're going to be able to grab all the things that I've mentioned in the video, but I really hope that this is a good system that you can implement when you're buying gifts for friends and family at any point in the year. I always think that a good gift should provide value for that person as opposed to just burdening them with more stuff that they now need to deal with or, you know, hang on to. And the worst thing is like feeling guilty for throwing away a gift that someone else has given you, but you just like don't need it. This is a huge departure from my usual keyboard content, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I'm keen to hear your feedback. Hope to do more of this kind of stuff going into the future because it's heaps of stuff that I want to share, and got heaps of cool stuff coming up very soon. Got some traveling, got some more desk setup type content planned. So hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.